Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at adding Swagger, which is basically a way to document your APIs to your ASP.NET Core application. So first we're going to go to Manage Nuget Packages, which is right click, Manage Nuget Packages, and we're going to add this Nuget package. We're going to download. I'm going to say accept. Now we're going to go into the startup page. And then under services, we're going to add Swagger, and then title, you set up your test project, then open API. We're going to add the using Microsoft Open API models. And then for app usage, you have to do use Swagger, and then use Swagger endpoint. And then if you want to add like they go straight to your home page without having to do /Swagger, you can add a route prefix to be empty. So if you do this, your project is gonna start like the home page is gonna be Swagger. So for an API only page, in this case we do have an MVC, so we're gonna leave it as is. So now let's test it out. Go here. So we go Swagger, and it's working. So now let's add our own API. So we're going to go to the admin controller. We're going to add just an add test string. And say you got it. And then we're going to add hello and put name and say you got it. So let's test it out and see what happens. So we go to Swagger. Oh, and there's an error. So let's go to see what the error is. So as you can see, we have an overload. They're overriding themselves. So the get method there's two get methods and it doesn't know how to do. We can fix this by routes. So we can just add its own route. You can do sub routes as well. So you could leave the main route at the top and then do routes. But this time I'm just gonna do its own route. Back. This one's gonna be so let's add get. So now let's test it out. We're gonna go to Swagger, and now it's working. So that shows how to troubleshoot it. So now let's try out our APIs. So as you can see, this one has no parameters. We try execute, and you get back, you got it. And now let's do get hello back. And we have to try it out. And let's do and then it says hello Code Flamingo, you rock. So as you can see here, it gives you like the name and last name. So it lets you build it. So it's a great way to test your APIs. And as always, when you're debugging, you can always put like breakpoints. If we go back, we'll execute and then send you to the breakpoint, and then you'll come back. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.